Yes, those are mosquito bites, and they hurt like a...
I got my Howie done, so guess what we're going to do today, Noah? We're going to go for a bike ride!
How nice. Fortnite sucks. Anyways. Oh, we had it there. Ah, we got it. Alright, let's get going. I kind of can't find my hat, so... I guess I'm not wearing a hat for this one. No.
What hat did you wear? Oh, yeah.
My World Baseball Classic video. Oh, we found it. Better look at those mosquito bites. Actually, that's the worst work. Here, let's do this. I can barely see them, but they hurt really bad. And yeah, put on my shoes. Because you need shoes on to be outside. Get my glove. I'm gonna go outside. Yeah, the mosquitoes at my baseball game last night were really bad, so... Yeah, it's just so... that was the first time seeing mosquitoes all year, too. And it's the worst time I'll probably ever see them. In my entire life. Okay, what's your problem? Like, you're going crazy, man?
Holy crap.
What is that? Right there, there's something. Let's go see it. Getting closer to the mysterious creature. Oh my, the dead bird. Or is that just a... That's a dead bird. That's a dead bird. He got run over.
Alright, let's just have a
Yeah, that was not throw out. That's disgusting. Look at these bites. They were everywhere on my game last night. They were everywhere. What? No. I'm trying to spawn a spot for the camera. I'm just gonna use my hat actually. So yeah. Okay. That's really bad. Like it's extremely bad. But I'm gonna try it. A leaf just fell right on top of me. Guess I'm zooming in now. I'll make sure it doesn't do that. Someone. That dead bird. See that dead bird. Alright. On to the next clip. Alright guys, I'm going to vlog Brandon's game a bit later. In order to do that, I'm going to need to charge the camera. So, sadly, could end it here. But if I don't end it here, I can't make a video later. So yeah.
No, that spider's gonna go in your glove.
What spider? Where? This?
Yeah.
This little tiny green thing?
Yeah.
You can't even see it on camera, it's that small.
Are you serious?
No. Okay. It's like right there. Okay, yeah. Whatever. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.